What are you guys doing right now?
Right now, we are coming up with a few different ways to measure a variable called the black globe temperature. It's basically the temperature, but it's more reflective of what we feel when we're outside, because it also takes into account like wind and the amount of incoming solar radiation. So right now our group is a little split up, but I'm trying to put these sticks together so we can put our temperature sensors inside our instruments to properly measure the temperature. Louise over there is trying to figure out how we can build these circuits so we're able to record the data that we actually measure with our temperature sensors. And over there, Reagan and Maisie are soldering connections so we can run cables from our instruments over to our loggers when everything is all said and done.
So we are trying to put together a pressure sensor that will measure differences in pressure as we dip it up and down in the water and as the water level of the tank rises and falls. So right now we're trying to wire the entire circuitry to get it working with a pair of batteries, and hopefully it will be up and running in a few minutes. Let's see how it goes.
So we want to build something that measures the water level inside of a tank that is holding water. And we have this laser, and the laser can tell us the distance that something is away from this laser. And we want a thing that floats in water so that when the water level goes down, we can know where it is. So we're making this piece of styrofoam that in theory should float in water. And we've put it around this pole that has a laser attached to it. Not yet, I'm holding it, but it will eventually. And as the water level goes down, that laser is going to follow this piece of styrofoam all the way down.
We are building the radiation shield to figure out which material. We have two of these radiation shields. So one's a ABS and one's a ASA, and we're trying to figure out which one is a better resistance to temperature and also a better resistance to wind in this case. In this setup here, we have two light fixtures and a fan, so they kind of go in cycles. So at different maybe points in time, they'll change temperature and wind power. And so basically, we're trying to figure out which one is better, which material is better to change.